Hello guys! Here is a new material, realistic asphalt. This material is perfect for racetracks or urban roads. It will transform your projects in no time. The base of this texture is created using the cells 2 and cells 4 nodes. Then, we add details. The idea here is to recreate the cracks and oil stains typically found on heavily used roads. With this material, you can create both bumpy roads and freshly paved circuits. For the normal map, we use a combination of two normals at different intensities to subtly enhance the details. All these details will be reflected on the normal map, which also helps us create the base color. For the albedo, we use a gradient map that highlights all the imperfections and establishes the base of the material. Then, we add color variations, such as pebbles and debris of multiple colors, thus modifying the overall hue. Thanks to the parameters, we can easily modify all the nodes and even have presets. And there you go. The link to download this procedural material is in the description. Thank you for watching.